Hey, what's up fellas, Mechanic Mode here, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I will show you how to take apart a whole interior for 2014 Mercedes C300 4MATIC. The reason guys why I'm taking the interior apart is I checked under the carpet and there's water. Basically the sunroof is leaking. To be more sure is the drain, the hose that drains the water from the hose to the car goes up there. I checked already, it's clogged, so that's the reason why I'm taking the interior part. We'll have an issue probably with the seat not working. I think the driver one is working, so water came more on the right side. Yeah, you see some of the carpet has mold already. So yeah, I'm just gonna start taking everything apart. It's not that hard. The front carpets comes very easy out. The rear ones, we're gonna take the seats out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the console out, but if I need to, I will, because the water didn't come all the way up. It's just a drainer, so the water just leaked under the carpet. It's causing a condensate and it damaged basically the fuel pump module right here. I checked it already and it has corrosion. I don't know if you can see it. Put some WD-40, see if it's working, but it's not. So yeah, this has to be fixed. I bought a brand new fuel pump module and this is it. What are we gonna do? We'll take the plastics that we took off. The seat comes out. We gotta take everything out. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take the screws for the seats out. I'll disconnect the seat belt for both seats, and then I'm going to take the carpets out after I take the seats out. All right guys, so here's the this is the driver's seat. So the seat is working. What you wanna do is lift up the seat all the way up. Push the recliner, the headrest down, because you need more space, and you wanna make sure that it's easy for you to take the seat out. What you wanna do is get it all the way up, right? And then get it front. You get space to take the rear bolts out. Right here. Yeah, you want to definitely take this off too. Right here. All right. What you're gonna use is the E12. Take them out. Right, and then push the seat back all the way back. That's what I was saying, the headrest is getting stuck to the ceiling, so you want to make sure always keep it back. Yeah, and then you gotta push this down to get space to unscrew the front bolts out too. Okay, so here we go. We got the bolts out. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna lift up again the seat, so we're gonna have space to remove the connectors, and it's going to be much easier to take the seat out because we can grab right under the seat. So what you want to do is make sure before you take the connectors out and you start working on your car, park it somewhere safe, like I got it right here, nobody's gonna disturb me. Park it, put the emergency brake on, and then you can start working on it. And once you get to connectors and wires, you definitely want to disconnect the battery, take it off. And what I'm trying to say is, right now the thing is working, right? Because I need to work with the seat, but don't take the connectors yet out before you taking the battery out. So what you want to do is screw the bolts for the seat first here, and then screw down one too, and then when you're ready to take the connectors out, disconnect the battery and you're good to go. Yeah, this is the connectors you want to take out. So you have here a clip, a holder. You take this off, you get this out, you get this out right here, and then same here on the side, you disconnect here too. So what you want to do is press this two on the side from right here, and this one is the same. It's pretty easy actually. It's just on the side pressing the things, and this one too. Yeah, we don't see any corrosion here, so that makes sense to me because the seat works properly, no noise, no rust. Basically I got water only on the right passenger side. Yeah, because of the transmission in the middle, this gap here, the water stayed only on the right side, no water on the left side. But I still have to take the carpets out because it's pretty dirty, and I'll wash them really nice. So let's go ahead and take second seat out. Got the seat out, right? You get the cover. Basic what you do, you just grab and lift it up. You got a T45 bolt right here, and that's it. Comes out easily. There's a ring that holds actually the bolt on the seat belt right here. You just want to put it back on the bolt so you can save it and leave it on the seat belt. It looks just like that, so you don't lose the bolt, and it's just laying like that. So yep, right here is the driver's side. We got the seat in the back out. About the seat in the back, I forgot to tell you, it's basically you lift up this part. There's a clips right there, it's holding it. It's very easy. It's very easy to take this off, and then what you want to do is you gotta push and lift up the back side so the seat comes out easily in the back. Yeah, this thing is very wet, and I don't know if you can see, but there is like literally water, you see, and under this carpet it's completely soaked. So let's go ahead and get this out. Alright guys, right here the rear bolts for the seat, they're out. You see how what I was saying, the passenger one is a little bit damaged. It has some rust and it's squeaky. What I did, I wasn't moving overall, and I just knocked a little bit the motor with the extension right here. I knocked it while I was pushing and it just worked. So let me show you right now. It's kind of making a little bit of noise. I'm not sure you're gonna hear it, but especially when it goes all the way in the back, it's kind of squeezy noise. So I'm gonna work a little bit on this seat to fix it after water damage. But yeah, first of all, what you do removing the seat is take this off. I did the same on the driver's side, and then you want to make sure you remove the battery again, disconnect the connectors. It's easy right here. Take this off too, put this down, put it back. Make sure you take this one in the back too. Guys, so after you take this cover out, to take the seat belt out, what you want to do is take this connector out, just press right here, and then you gotta take this connector out. So what you want to do is to lift right there, there's a clips, you lift that out and this thing comes out. So let me show you. What I'm gonna use is this. Just like that, this thing goes up and it comes out. Alright guys, so we're ready to take the carpet out. What you want to do is lift it up, the front one, and take it off. You see what I'm saying? Water. Same thing here. So there's more water in the back. You're gonna pull this off, just like that. So you see, yeah, that's what I was saying. Water, a lot of water. Yeah, well, front one it came out. It's not that bad how I thought. So for the rear one, what I'm gonna need to do is to take the console out. This way I'm gonna be able to take the rear carpet out. So let's remove the front driver. All right guys, for this part of the carpet, what we do is we take this thing here out, right? And then we take this out. We need both hands to lift this part first out, and then we pull it out. Let me show you. Same, what we do is take this off and put it here, and then after you're done with this, you can remove the gas pedal. I'm ready to do it. It's 13 millimeters. 1, 2, boom. And then what you got is a connector. What you do is you remove the safety clip, and then you press it, and then it comes out just like that. So you remove this clips out just like that. Boom. Another one here too. Move a little bit. Take this off. Boom. And it comes out easily. Definitely can remove this carpet out. And by the way, I got water on this part too. I didn't know that, but let's see if we have damaged connectors here. There's the can. Right here, we got a lot of stuff going on. What you do is you press this and it comes out easily. Boom. Right there. We can check out, we have corrosion or damaged wires. I'm not sure we do, but we are definitely gonna check it out. Yeah. All right, leftover we have is to take the console out and the rear carpet. So hard at all, you gotta remove this panel right here. You gotta take the knob out. We need to remove the AC switch trim right here around, because we have some screws there. Well, I'll go one by one. So first, what we're gonna do is we're taking the knob out. So what you have to do is to grab the leather piece and lift it up, and then what you do is you turn this. And this thing comes out easily, just like that. And then you take the frame out. Two connectors on it. Boom. Then you got this thing out, coming out apart easily too. Boom, boom. Alright, as you see here, we gotta remove this because we have a 10 millimeter bolt or nut there, so we gotta remove this piece out too. Alright guys, so you see how this thing is moving. You cannot take it off yet because you gotta remove this piece. and then you gotta unscrew the bolts to remove the radio, and then you take the AC switch out, and then you take this off, and then you can take this panel off, and then after that you easily can take the console out. See what I was saying? If you take this off right now, just like that. Damn it, it's not that hard, it's just uncomfortable to do it with one hand. Just gonna put the phone down so you probably can see it. After that, what we need is to unscrew this and unscrew this bolt right here. Remove these screws. First, and then you got a connector, and then you gotta take this first out, just like that. I got another connector, which is gonna be removed. Just like that. And then another 10mm nuts right here. Last two screws, remove this and this. Just like that. Just use the space to take that out. Just like that. Yep. Off. It's easy. Alright guys, so the interior is done. Basically I took everything apart. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to make sure no connectors has damage, no corrosion, no rust. I'm gonna wash everything properly with good products. I'm going to check every module, every computer. I'm going to wash the carpets, replace everything what's damaged, and get the car back on the road. You guys stay in touch. If you're first time on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm always posting really nice videos how you guys can fix your cars at home with easy knowledge and easy tools. See you next time.